Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 14.2 chapter number 14. The relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. आपको ह्यूमिडिटी पर डाटा कलेक्ट करके गिवन है किसी सिटी का एंड फॉर 30 डेज का and we have to construct a grouped frequency distribution table for this data. And for example, for the classes which we have to take is given 84 to 86, 86 to 88. It stands that we have to make continuous class intervals and class size be of 2 units. 2 के गैप में हमें क्लास साइज को लेना है. And student, it does not mean कि we have to start from 84. First of all, we have to check what is the minimum value in the given data. In given data, minimum value is 84.9. So we can start from 84. So what will be our class intervals? They will be 84 to 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92. Here the maximum value is 99.2. So we have to take up to 100. 99 2 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to 98 and then 98 to 100. So these will be our class intervals. Now we have to put tally marks. You were already told without the help of the tally marks it is not possible to construct frequency tables, because tally marks make our work easier and there are very few chances of mistake. Now the first observation is 98.1 and we have to check in which interval it will fall. 98.1 will fall in last interval. And next is 89.2. I am taking vertically. 89.2. It will be in 88 to 90 interval. 96.2. Next is 98.6. Next 92.3. And next is 92.1. Next is 99.2, 97.1, 84.9, 84.9 in first interval. Next 90.3, next is 93.5, next is 90.2. Similarly, we will put tally marks for all of the observations given in the table. Like this, our tally marks table is completed and you can count your tally marks. They should be 13 number because 30 days का data हमें given है. Now we can write the frequency. Frequency for first interval is 1. For next is also 1. It is 2, 2, 5 and 2, 7, 5 and 1, 6, 5 and 2, 7 and 4. And the total is 30. So this is our frequency distribution table for the given data and you have to put this in the form of a table. Now second part is which month or season do you think is data about? देखो ये डाटा जो है ये किस सीजन का लग रहा है हमें, बिकॉज द डाटा इज ऑन ह्यूमिडिटी, तो इट मीन्स द डाटा इज ऑफ रेनी सीजन. जैसे आजकल के डेज हैं, आजकल जो है रेनी सीजन चल रहा है एंड ह्यूमिडिटी इज टू मच. Third, what can you conclude, what is the range of the data? Here students, you have to find range and remember range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So we have to check in given data which value is highest. The highest value is 99.2 here and lowest value is 84.9. So subtract these two values and you will get the range of the data, and that is equal to 14.3. So therefore range is 14.3. Now come to next question. In next question, the heights of the 50 students measured to nearest centimeters, height in centimeters आपको given है, have been found to be as follows. Data on height is given to you for 50 students and we have to represent this data in a grouped frequency distribution table taking the class intervals as 160 to 165, 165 to 170. Again we have to make continuous class intervals and 5 का उनमें gap रखना है, and before that you have to check which value is minimum here, because example आपको given है start from 160, but we will check in our table which is the minimum value and accordingly we will start. Here minimum value is, think of the minimum value given in the table 150. I think 150 is the minimum value. So we can start from 150. 150 से हम intervals को start करेंगे and 5 के gap पर. You will try this question yourself. Students, you can try question number 5 yourself. Similar question is also there, that is question number 6. In 6 question frequency distribution table you have to form. Meaning 6th में आपको grouped frequency table नहीं बनाना, meaning simple frequency table बनाना है, जैसे कि आप class 8 या अपनी previous classes में करते थे. एंड 7th क्वेश्चन में भी आपको सिंपल फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल बनाना है, नो क्लास इंटरवल्स शुड बी देयर. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ ग्रुप्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल. अब हमें क्लास इंटरवल्स की फॉर्म में टेबल बनाना है एंड द डाटा ऑन द नंबर ऑफ आवर्स ऑन 30 चिल्ड्रन इज गिवन अबाउट द programs they watch on TV. Now it is given that make a grouped frequency distribution table for the data taking class width 5. मीनिंग आपको क्लास साइज 5 का लेना है, मीनिंग गैप जो रखना है दैट शुड बी ऑफ 5. वन ऑफ द क्लास इंटरवल इज 5 to 10 एंड एक इंटरवल का एग्जाम्पल दिया है, यू हैव टू टेक द इंटरवल एज 5 to 10. तो इट डजेंट मीन कि हमें 5 से ही स्टार्ट करना है. यू वर ऑलरेडी टोल्ड दैट वी हैव टू चेक व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू हेयर. हेयर इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 द मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 1, सो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 और वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 ऑल्सो, बट 1 से लोगे तो उसमें 5 to 10 इंटरवल नहीं आएगा. So we have to take a gap of 5 units, so we will start from 0. Let us start question 8. Here I have taken intervals up to 15 to 20 because 17 is maximum value here. So to cover 17 we have to take it up to 20. The first is 1. So in which interval 1 falls? In first interval. 1, 10. 10 will fall in third interval. And then 3. It will fall in first interval. 6, 3, 2. 6, 3 and 2. Next is 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. Next 3, 12, 5. 3, 12 and 5. 5 will fall in second interval. Again 5, 2, 9. 5, 2, 9. Next 12, 8, 6. 12, 8, 6. Next 5, 15, 8. 5, 15 and 8. Next 8, 1, 7. 8, 1, 7. Similarly we will complete it. All the tally marks are completed, so we can write the frequency. Here frequency for the first interval is 10 and this is 13. This is 4 and 1 5 and this is 7. Now you can check the total, because survey was done on 30 students, 30 children, so total must be 30. Sorry, this is 2, 1, 2. 23 and 7, it is 30. So it means our table is correct. Now we have to answer the question attached here. How many children watched television for 15 or more hours in a week? Meaning कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने 15 या उससे ज़्यादा टाइम्स टीवी को वॉच किया? तो दैट इज़ the frequency of the last interval. It means 2 children watched TV for 15 or more than hours. Similarly, question number 9. A company manufactures cars batteries for a particular type. The lives of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. तो एक कंपनी जो है वो कुछ कार बैटरीज को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो है वो कर रही है एंड लाइफ फॉर द 40 बैटरीज को हमने 40 बैटरीज पर सर्वे किया एंड उनके लाइफ टाइम को रिकॉर्ड किया एंड वो ऑब्जर्वेशंस आपको गिवन है. यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ग्रुप्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल फॉर दिस डाटा यूजिंग द क्लास इंटरवल ऑफ साइज 0.5. अब 0.5 का गैप लेकर एंड यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट क्लास इंटरवल्स. अगेन वी विल चेक which is the minimum value here. After that we will start our class intervals by taking the gap of 0.5. So class intervals, here the minimum value is, look for the minimum value, I think that is 2.2 something. So we can start from 2. तो फर्स्ट इंटरवल इज 2.0 to 2.5 बिकॉज एक इंटरवल का एग्जाम्पल हमें गिवन है 2 to 2.5. तो इट मीन्स जब हम इन इंटरवल्स को फॉर्म करेंगे दैट इंटरवल मस्ट बी देयर. तो अब स्टार्टिंग जैसा ही उन्होंने स्टार्टिंग 2 से दी थी एंड वी आर आल्सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2 बिकॉज मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 2.2 हेयर. तो नेक्स्ट इंटरवल भी 2.5 to 2.7. 2.7 to 2.9. Similarly, according to maximum value, we will form all these intervals. Sorry, we have to take a gap of 0.5. So 2.5 to 3. And this will be 3 to 3.5. Now 3.5 to 4, 4.0 to 4.5 and last interval will be 4.5 to 5.0. Now tally marks and then frequency. These are very simple questions and you all can do all these questions very easily. The first value is 2.6, so it falls in second interval. 3.5, next is 2.5, next 3.5, next 4.6, next 3.0, 2.3, Similarly, we will complete all the values. Here our tally marks are completed. Now we can write the frequency. So frequency for the first interval is 2 and next is 6. Next one is 5 and 5, 10 and 4, 14. 5, 5, 10 and 1, 11. This is 4 and this one is 3. We will check the total here. And it must be, now the total is 40. So it total must be 40. So check the total. So this was the last question of your exercise 14.2.